Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Slack with Google Drive detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Slack website. Log into your Slack account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to your desired workspace. Click on the workspace name in the top left corner to open the menu. Select Settings and Administration from the drop-down menu. Next, click on Manage Apps to access the App Management section. In the Apps section, locate the search bar at the top right. Type Google Drive into the search bar and press Enter. From the search results, select the Google Drive app. Click the Install button to begin the installation process. You may need to authorize Slack to access your Google account. Follow the prompts to sign in with your Google credentials. Once signed in, you will be prompted to grant permission to Slack. Review the permissions and click Allow to proceed. After granting permission, you will be redirected back to Slack. You will see a confirmation that Google Drive has been added to your workspace. Now you can share files directly from Google Drive in your Slack channels. To share a file, go to the channel or direct message where you want to post it. Click on the plus button next to the message input field. Select Google Drive from the list of options. You'll see your Google Drive files appear in a new window. Choose the file you want to share and click Select. Add an optional message to accompany the shared file. Finally, click Send to share the Google Drive file in Slack. You have successfully connected Slack with Google Drive. Now, enjoy seamless file sharing between the two platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.